Hey there everyone, how's it going? Tharun here, and in this video we're gonna write the create note function, the most exciting part of this project where we do some magic. Okay, so let's continue with it. So first of all, refreshing our structure of the stick it notes, we have this UL, okay, where we have this li anchor tag h2 button p, etc. so on. So the idea now is, okay, so how will we create a new note? So the way we would do that is we would magically create another li, okay, and append it the anchor tag, which is the only child of the li, okay. And the anchor tag, if you see, has three children, isn't it? The first child is h2, the second child is button, and the third child is p. So all these three are siblings, and the title goes within the h2 and the content goes within p, and the button has this x with a class of delete. So all of these have to be automated using our JavaScript DOM code. So how would we do that? So first of all, we are passing this note title and note body to this create note function. So we don't have that as of now, so let's create it. Make sure you create it above this function because this function is dependent on create note, isn't it? So create note, which takes in the note title and the note body. Okay, so that is with this function. Now within this function, what we want to do is we want to first create those elements which we are going to use. So if you look here, the elements which need to be created are li, anchor, h2, button, and p, isn't it? So let's create those elements. So how we would do is let li equals to document dot create element li. Okay, so similarly we would be creating anchor h2p and anchor h2p, that's it, and the button, yeah. So let's replace these. So these would be a. By the way, I'm selecting that by doing Control D to select duplicates. And the way I duplicated these things were by holding Shift, Alt, and down key. Okay, so li will change it to h2, and this would become p, and this would become x button. So that is with the creation. Now we have created this. What we want to do next is we want to keep adding stuff, okay. But before that, let us first let's add stuff itself. So the stuff which we need to add is, first of all, we need to add this class here, is it, the class of delete, isn't it? And then we need to add this x, which is a text node, and we need to add this some note and this content of the note, which is again a text node. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, we have to use x button dot class list dot add delete. So we need the delete class there, and after this, now let's start creating the text nodes. Okay, so the first text node we need is for the button. So let x text equals to document dot create text node, and within that we're going to give x, which is the capital X, then let h2 text node equals to document dot create text node, and within this we are going to mention the note title. Okay, we don't want to give a static value, we want to give the dynamic value which we receive to this function, isn't it, the note title. So I've added that, and next it will be a paragraph text node, which will be a P here, and here it will be note body. Okay, so that is with the text nodes which we have created. So now what we need to do is we need to understand the structure first of all. This h2 text node goes within the h2, right? So h2 text node, the sum node is the child of this h2, and this x is the child of this button, and this p is the child of this, sorry, the text within the p is the child of this paragraph, and all three of these are the child of anchor tag. So just remember this. Let us bring that, visualize that, and do it in our code. So what we need to do is h2 dot append child, and it is going to have h2 text node. Okay, that is that, and p dot append child, and it is going to have p text node. Okay, and the button, the x button dot append child, and it is going to have the x text within it. So that is with that. Now what is going to have, I told anchor tag has all these three as its children. So the way you do that is a dot append child h2. Okay, and now let us duplicate this again and add the x button and add the paragraph. Okay, and one more thing which we want to do here is we want to add the href attribute here and set it to this hash. So let us do that. A dot set attribute. So this is how you set attributes, and just mention the attribute name here, which is href, and mention this, not that, here hash, which means that set this attribute. Now as of now, if you go see, look at this code in the website also, it will not show any difference. Okay, because we have not yet appended this anchor tag to the li, and we have not appended the li to the ul. So the way we'll do that is, we have the li already, so li dot append child a variable. Okay, and next what you want to do is document dot get element by id and give notes, which is the id of this unordered list here. Okay, id of notes. Okay, and here dot append child and within this you are going to mention the li. So what this will do is it will append this li, it will append this li to this this ul element. So this is nothing but the ul element, isn't it? We have got it. So now is the time for the actual eye candy. So let us go here and let us refresh, and let us add a new note, our first note, and add hooray. And when I hit enter, you're gonna see that the note has been created. But if I hit enter again, of course it's gonna tell please fill out this field. So this is how you do this appending thing. Okay, so that is all for this video. See you guys in the next video, where we'll be doing a little bit more stuff. So see you there.